I'll show you how did I do for the HappyPyramid assignment by using recursive function. So first, let's run the code. And the code will let us enter some numbers for row and column. First, let's try 3 and 3. We got 1 and 12, which means the person on the third row and the third column will carry 1 and 12 pounds on his or her back. And then let's try 4 and 2. We got 400, which means the person on the row 4 and the column 2 will carry 400 pounds on his or her back. And we just need to hit the enter, we can exit the program. Then let's present my code for you. First, I wrote a main function here because I would like to run my code continually to show you the result. So I wrote a while loop here. But in the while loop, I wrote 3 functions, which I get RNC function, human pyramid function, and the print weight function. These are my top level function. And in the human pyramid function, my base case is the is when the row equal to 0, and we will get weight as 0. And for the question, does everyone in the bottom row carry the same weight? So let's try run the code again. So let's assume the bottom row is the row number 4, and let's enter 4 0 4 1 4 2 4 3 and 4 4. So from this, we can see the results. The person on the middle position will carry the highest weight on his or her back, and the person who are at the same distance from the person who in the middle position will get the same. Will carry the same weight on his or her back. So we can see the person on the first column and the third column, both of them will carry 320 pounds on his or her back, and the person on the 0 column and the first column will carry 120 pounds on his or her back.